just welcome Ewert Jooste from Rhino.
Wait, actually start with who you are though.
On the way to the airport, going to Saudi Arabia to meet the deck team over there. Ready to go. About to board the plane. Flying on Ethiopian Airways to Addis Ababa and then from there to Saudi Arabia. And there's the plane over there.
Welcome aboard, sir. 5D, welcome aboard.
Days. So I had a good night's sleep, booked into the hotel, so I'm on my way to the venue to go and see the auto show, see what's happening there, get the stand ready for deck.
Hey, I'm Laura. I work for DECT. I take care of the international sales. I have a blast. And I'd love to introduce Ewert Jooste from Rhino 4x4 in South Africa. He is our new partner for DECT in South Africa. And I spent several trips to South Africa to figure out the market, to see who's who, and to see who made the most sense for us. And as soon as I met Ewert and went to Rhino 4x4, went to his offices, met his team, I just knew immediately that he was the perfect match for us. He's totally got the technical knowledge, he totally has the personality of DECT, meaning his social media, all of his marketing, the way he sells his product, the way he works with his customers, the way he works with his dealers is exactly what we were looking for. So we're really thrilled to work with him. We've got our first 40 container arriving. It's going to be there soon.
3rd of November, it's there.
Yep, 3rd of December.
Can't wait to unpack that container.
He's having an opening day at the end of this month.
Yeah, the 30th.
30th?
Yeah, and we're going to do a little bit of a deck launch. And having, I got my Raptor back today, so I'm going to install the deck as soon as I get back home on Monday.
Fantastic.
And then we'll have 2 vehicles with deck on, and we can show the customers and have it ready for them. So super pumped to have that and get that going. Sitting here with Jake Peters, he's the CEO of DECT.
General manager.
General manager of DECT.
Worker. I'm the worker at DECT.
Yeah, that's what it says, yeah. But it's a little bit more important than that.
How you doing? I'm Jake Peters with DECT. We're sitting here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and we're showing off the DECT system. DECT is a storage system for pickup trucks and vans. It's called DECT because we take the deck of your truck and we lift it 12 inches. What's cool about it is you can still put 900 kilos on top of your deck system. Whether your truck can handle that or not, you'll have to talk to my friends here. You can put 90 kilos, I should say, in each drawer. So the drawers roll like butter.
Yeah.
Right? It's because I got a superhuman finger. No, it's because they roll on wheels. So again, 900 kilos on top, 90 kilos in each drawer. The whole system comes in a box that weighs about 100 kilos. What's really nice about DECT is that in most cases we have a no drill install. So we have bins in each corner, and this is how we attach it to your truck. So we just go into the tie downs.
Nice.
Right? These are typically not waterproof. These are. So these are going to be waterproof, snowproof.
Okay.
Again, not probably your market, but they're not going to get water in here. It's made out of what's called high density polyethylene and steel. steel. So what we've done, which is fun, is we've learned how to mold steel tubes into this deck. So our little recipe is it's very dense material, and then we add steel to it. Okay. So you can see here this bin, extremely strong, and then we reinforce it with steel. The product's 100% recycled material. It's made in Ohio in the United States. And yeah,
That's all about
thanks
that.
for being interested.
Lots of amazing cars here. GT40s and just crazy. I can walk through here just for hours and hours and hours because it just doesn't end. This is just like being in a candy store, being a little boy in a toy store. This is unreal. So most of these cars are on auction, and if I had the money, but unfortunately I don't. I saw a really nice car on Richard Rawlings on Gas Monkey yesterday, and it worked out the price. It was $130,000, which is about 2 million rand. But I've never seen so many restored muscle cars, classic cars, and hot rods, and I've never seen so many in one place. It's just unreal. This is just one hall, so I'll be going to the next hall now. I'll do some shots there, and I'm just walking through here pretty fast just to get everything that they have here. It's just amazing. It's unbelievable to see what there is here and what's on display and what's for sale. Unreal. Hot rods, red rods, you name it, it's here. It's unreal. Some Jeeps. Jeep Gladiator. How cool is this? Ah, cheers. Get the effect. You guys customize the whole track?
Yes, we meet all customized.
Okay.
هذا ADD bumper, هذا shocks, هذا
Icon suspension.
bike suspension.
So all the way down there.
Yeah.
You've got also ADD back,
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
lift kit, all from Icon.
All right.
Rims, all the way to the exhaust. It's fully
Fully customized.
customized. It's crazy.
Awesome. Awesome.
It's all by Torque Speed. This is
By Torque Speed.
Torque Speed.
So Khalid?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I've met him.
Yeah.
I've met him.
Answer any questions for you?
What's that?
Answer any questions for you?
Are you guys busy building this?
This is one of the winners' cars. They
Okay.
had 8 to 10,000 entries.
Okay.
And it was a fan car, so they picked 2 of them, a male car and a
wow.
female car. Which one's the female car?
That one.
See?
one.
No, they're doing this one in the. This is the guy's car, and the
Okay.
Mercedes is the lady's
Woman's
car.
car.
Yeah.
Are you going to customize it?
Yes. So, new interior, wrap. So they're prepping it and cleaning
Yeah.
it.
Nice.
And then some kind of body treatment. And
Okay.
wheels and tires.
Nice. Nice. I watch your show all the time. Good work
Well,
that
thank
you
you.
guys
Thank
do.
you for that.
I'm out in South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, my friend is there right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
His name is Nick from South Africa.
Oh,
That's his email address.
that's his email address. That's cool.
So,
That's cool.
but yeah, he's a gearhead too. He's
Yeah.
in Southern California,
Okay, nice.
Middle California now.
Nice.
So he's actually posting stuff that he's on vacation in South Africa right now.
Okay, nice. Nice.
Yes, very, very much. This is, we put him here. We take you.